out the basement. 2 minute whips at the crib, ran out of parking spaces.
Nah, woman empowerment is real, boy. All these girls is on bikes now, son. It's crazy. I want to see if I can catch some. This bike broke down. Oh no, they gotta turn back. Oh yeah, we might catch him. We might catch him. Y'all want to catch it, bro? Hold on, I want to show y'all. This shit is no joke. They holding down traffic too. Check them out. These guys is going crazy. I want to catch that girl. She's going crazy. She's really doing her thing. Nah, son. Nah, that's different. These guys is different. Shout out to them, bro. Man, son, that shit is fire. You never know what you will see in Brooklyn, but damn, there's hella girls on bikes whipping that shit, bro. Oh, man. I might get a bike now. No, I'm too reckless. No, Tariq. Damn, son. Had the little slingshot moving. Yeah, nah, that's dope. Hellcat beat traffic, bro. There's nothing you could do. There you go. There you go. Yo, that jet moving. She got that jet jiggling on that shit, boy. They moving, son. Oh, look at that booty. Yes, ma'am. You moving that bike. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, bro. Damn, son. Hell yeah, I'm recording. What you talking about?